Prambanan Temple is a Hindu temple complex located in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. This temple was built in the 9th century by the Sanjaya dynasty, and is one of the greatest architectural wonders of Hinduism in the world. Prambanan Temple consists of 3 main temples dedicated to Hindu gods, namely Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. Prambanan Temple consists of 8 main temples and 250 small temples. The main temple is located in the center of the complex and is surrounded by walls and gates. The Shiva temple is the largest main temple and is 47 meters high, followed by the Vishnu and Brahma temples. Apart from that, there are also 3 small temples dedicated to the rides of each god. On the inside of each temple there are reliefs depicting stories from Hindu mythology. These reliefs are very beautiful and well maintained even though they are hundreds of years old. In addition, there are also statues of Hindu gods and goddesses made of stone and bronze. Prambanan Temple was originally built to glorify Hindu gods, but in the 10th century, the Mataram kingdom collapsed and this temple was abandoned and neglected. Over the next few centuries, this temple was forgotten and covered by earth and large trees. In 1811, Raffles, a British archaeologist, rediscovered Prambanan Temple and started the restoration process. After several natural disasters and wars, Prambanan Temple has been restored and is now one of the most popular tourist destinations in Indonesia. Prambanan Temple was recognized as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1991. Apart from that, this temple is also one of the most visited tourist destinations in Indonesia. Every year in June, at the Prambanan Temple complex a cultural festival is held featuring traditional Javanese art and culture. This festival attracts visitors from all over the world. Visitors can enter each temple and see the reliefs and statues of Hindu gods and goddesses which are very detailed and beautiful. In addition, visitors can also enjoy the beautiful view from the top of the temple after climbing the steep steps. Prambanan Temple also has spiritual significance for Hindus in Indonesia. Every year, Hindus from all over Indonesia gather at this temple to celebrate Hindu holidays, namely Galungan and Kuningan.